Alright guys, we're at Clay Mills level crossing in Staffordshire with Joe Thorpe, Will Scriven, Adam Richardson and UK level crossing Shotland trains. See if I can try and get this in. Oh, that one still has the reactivating motor.
It's quite hard though.
9:55.
Time now is 09:55 on Saturday the 1st of September 2018. This is for your 09:59 1 Sierra 39 cross country service from Bournemouth to Glasgow Central.
Is it only just me? I've just realised that alarm's only got 2 screws in it, holding the face on.
Yeah, I've noticed that as well. I think that alarm's taped on from the looks of it.
I'm not sure.
It looks like it's been taped on.
Oh yeah, it's got no screws in it, has it?
Yeah, taped on this one.
The old body, by the looks of it, was blue. The front was grey.
Yeah.
That one used to be grey years ago.
I reckon it might have been painted over when they did let's say they were painted gold or something.
Are we down for that long again with it?
I don't know. I don't think so, because the next train after this is like 10:10. Yeah. So let's just pray. I want to go film that barrier next because it wasn't that bad last time I was here.
I realise now.
Sorry.
Look at my face.
I'll cut that bit out. Plum plum. Will, look at that alarm. It's been taped on. I love how good the wiring is as well.
Remember the slow alarm at Hawkston?
Yeah.
That was taped on.
Was it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's only been held on by 2 screws. Oh, oopsies. 221 10? 221 20, I think it was. Oh, the lights don't go out straight away anymore.